This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable website images in the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. To enable or disable website images, by default website images are enabled on your browser. Why would you need to disable it? Maybe your internet provider has a data limit. But to do it, you want to first open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down a ways, down to where you see the content section. And in the content section right here, images, I'm going to click on images. And right up top here, default behavior, sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. By default, the top one is probably toggled on. Sites can show images. If you want to disable it, you would toggle on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to show images. Down below that, you could customize behavior for particular websites, but the main feature is right up here, the default behavior. Sites can show images or don't allow sites to show images. That is how to enable or disable website images on the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.